Yeah, these shorts, yeah, shorts, shorts. What are you gonna say? There's not, but there's. I don't know. I don't want to see. I don't know. There's this sources. Ah, it's life all about the universe, galaxy. How do you mean again? What can I say to the world? No, I won't say anything to the world. I'll just say not to the world, because the world will end. You know, the universe. I don't know, but I would say to the souls, not anything else, because it's all eternals. Tawag in English da. Okay. Malawan ta. See something there? Yeah. Because you know, it's hard to Englishise, because English is not my first language. Bisaya, Tagalog, English, not really my first language. You know. Watching there, over there, you see that? Yeah, that's part of the universe, part of the creation. You know, nothing to say about anything. Just keep smiling. Don't over everything. Don't overrise everything. You know, keep it moderate. You balance everything. Balance everything. Because balancing is the key to life ending. Patay. Life ending. Balance. No need to pressurize everything, you know. Just keep on breathing, so that you won't let that die early. Oh my god. You know, I'm gonna take some medicine. No, just kidding. I have no medicine. Medicine is not good for health. It's chemical. Oh my god. Don't use. Don't feel the pain. The pain. You know what is pain? Pain. Pain. Feel the pain, because pain heals everything. You know, after death there is life. That's the essence of everything.